Okay, so example number one says, describe the following number pattern in words, then write down the next three numbers in the pattern. So they're asking us to describe it with words. So if we look at the first pattern, what is happening? We have 4, then we have 8, then we have 12. So what is happening? If I want to describe it with words, we can say, I'm going to write it in the following way. I'm going to say the next term. What is it going to be? Look what the language that I'm using. I'm using about the next term. So if I'm thinking about the next term, I'm going to put it here in blue. What is the next term going to be? So it's going to be the previous one plus 4. Agree? So I'm going to write exactly what I just said. The next term is going to be equal to the previous term plus 4. Okay, and with this, I have already described it. Okay, beautiful. So if we do this and then the next three terms, that is what is asking us this question to do. So we know that the next one, this one is going to be 16, and then this one will be 20, and then this one will be 24. Agree? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Beautiful. Let's do B. So as you can see, the first two terms are the same. So the third term is what is going to determine how is it different. So what is happening here? What is going to be the next term? I'm going to use the same one. So what do I do? So I can see here that this one is the previous one. I could say plus 4, the same one as this one. It could be plus 4, but when I go to this one, 8 plus 4, this one will be 12 and not 16. So what is happening? What is the relationship between these two ones? So hopefully you're seeing that 16 is twice 8 and 8 is twice 4. So I can write it. The next term is going to be the previous term times 2. And when I do that, then means that this one is going to be 32. And then the next one is 64. And then the next one is 128. Okay, if I ask you, this is not part of the question, but I want you to see something. So in this one, what is happening is that I'm adding 4. Agree? So I'm going to put, boop, I'm adding 4. Boop, I'm adding 4. And here I'm timesing by 2. And here I'm timesing by 2. If I ask you which one of these patterns is growing faster, so that means if I look at here, like at the beginning, as I said, both start at 4. The second term both have 8, but we can see that by the third term, this one is 12 and this one is 16. So which one is growing faster? This one is 16. This one is already 32, 20, 64, 24, 128. So of course, the second pattern, when I'm multiplying by 2, the pattern is going to grow much quicker. Okay, something to notice. Good, I'll continue in the next video.